Crispy.
Oh yeah. Encore. Encore.
Oh yeah, right. We have you parts to play. Okay, all right. We'll play one more, but then when we're done, all right.
All right, truth or art?
I can't really say enough how like at home I feel in Bartlesville. So thank you so much for continuing, supporting me when I come through and play here because this town is something special.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We don't get much out of it, but it's okay.
Let's go home. That was an amazing amount of shade. Thank you. I know how it sounds. I know it must sound weak.
coordinating from afar, Dina and Elaine for hospitality, and Jared Elmore on sound. Welcome back from Sizzling Summer, Donnie. We'll see you next time. Keep your eyes peeled for the next show.
Good job, Jerry.